Hi gardening spirit boosters, welcome to the channel. I hope that my balcony gardening will inspire you to want to garden too. Hi guys, it's Miss Janita back again with another gardening video. Thanks for watching. Welcome back to my returning subscribers. And hello any looky-loos, passy-bys, visitors, and new friends to the channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have any new videos up. And also, let me know what thumbs up or like number you are. I would really appreciate if you do that. And trollees, welcome back also. Don't forget my thumbs up. All right, you guys, what I'm doing today is sharing my plants. They are getting new leaves, so I'm happy about that. And I'm also trying to do garden art where I share Nick and Nack's decorative pieces in with my plants to have more pleasure with my little gardening hobby. I love it. I have bees, I have birds, I have my frog. Those frogs are nice and heavy. That's a beautiful piece, that art, that frog with the white mouth. That is a good decorative garden piece, or wherever you want to put it to have. And they're hard to find now. I got it from Temu, I told y'all that. But I got the birds, I love them, the bird nests, the big birds, the little birds are happy in my plants. I am enjoying them spinning around. So you can see the front and the back, the front and the back. I need to take the, I can get, now I am just starting to try and do this garden art and decorating the plants and stuff like that. I'm new to this, so y'all be patient with me, please. Okay, guys, I slowed it down a little bit because I believe that was a little bit too fast. Yeah, so I'm practicing my decorating plants and stuff. Garden art, that's what you call it. And I know a lot of you guys have been sharing your decorative planters, your decorative gardens, and you have garden art in your yard, on your balcony, your patio, your terrace, your rooftops, your yard. It is gorgeous. I love garden art, and I hope to get some more, which soon. I'm waiting on my Temu haul. I think I got some more things to share with you guys for the garden. I done been to that place 7 times, and I had 7 orders, you guys. So I got some things I'm gonna have to share with you from Temu, T-E-M-U, a new store, online store. It's like Amazon, but it's cheaper for now anyway, I believe. After so many people find out about it, I believe, like I already noticed prices are going up. And it's good if you get a code where you can save money when you first go over there. So if you know someone with a code, use it so you can save even more money. And then they give you they offer me $5 if the package is running late or is delivered late. They give you money. Some people said in the beginning they used to pay for your whole order, but I guess now they're making so much money from so many people coming on board, shopping over there and buying so much stuff. I guess they don't do that anymore. They just give you, well, they only offer me $5. I can just tell you that. So when I get my other orders, I'm gonna come back over here and share it with you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying this little video. I am new to trying to decorate with my plants and stuff like that, so judge me however you're gonna judge me, but I know you can't judge me for being wrong. It's only 2 things that matter, the right way and the wrong way. But when you're doing stuff like this, there's really no wrong way, because it's whatever your heart is, in your heart, your mind, and your eye, whatever you think is beautiful and fine. And somebody might have the same eye as you, and they think whatever you're doing is beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all go. And thank you for coming back and supporting this channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to invite me to your channel. And don't forget to let me know what like number you are. I appreciate it. And I'll be back with more garden art and trying to decorate my plants. I need to go get me some more little plants. I don't know. I got to share with you guys an update on my seed plants. They're growing, but I can't wait till they get bigger. And I planted some more cosmos. I want to see those again. Gorgeous. Remember my cosmo? Okay, y'all, I'm gonna let y'all go. Thank you. I appreciate. And I'll be seeing you guys on your channel soon. Bye now. Thanks for your time and support.